Welcome to our cool quiz about prepositions of place. Get ready for a fun and interactive challenge that will test your knowledge and skills. Explore the exciting world of prepositions and see how well you know them.
In, on, behind. Pick the correct option.
It's behind.
Across from, in front of, between. Guess the correct answer. In front of, behind, under, among. Can you guess it right? Under, among, in, behind. Pick the correct option. Among, under, among, between. Pick the correct option. Between. Near. In. Behind. Can you guess it right? Near. Near. Far. In. Can you guess it right? Far. Across from, in front of, between. Which one do you think is correct? Across from,